Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest walk round video and one of our latest additions to stock. These T5s, these Volkswagen Transporter T5s, are becoming increasingly rare and increasingly hard to find. We are seeing them on the we're seeing them become quite the collector's item really in the transporter world, as much as they can be. Notoriously well built and a great looking van. So what have we got here then? We've got a 2015, registered September 15, 2 litre TDI T5.1 140 Highline manual with twin sliding doors, slider on each side, which is again highly sought after. Highline spec, tailgate van. It's got some great additions which I'll run through in a minute. It's presented in deep black pearl. We've got some Sportline styling. It's covered just 87,000 miles with 2 previous keepers. The last owner having it just over 4.5 years. We bought it directly from this chap who'd used it for all sorts of things, mainly pleasure. But nonetheless, very hard to find. So 87,000 miles, great maintenance file with it. Major service just completed by ourselves. We've got receipts for new clutch and flywheel in 24, which is great. Main dealer service 22 for Cambelt and water pump, which is also fantastic. So good service history, good provenance, low ownership, nice miles, 87,000 miles. A 140, which are super reliable, manual gearbox. Don't think it gets much better in T5 world, 2015. So to get a little bit more into the detail, we've got sidebars, chrome sidebars, roof rails, Sportline front, spoiler and splitter. We've got 20-inch wheels, as I say, which have recently been refurbished to a good standard. Nice new centre caps. Suit this van really well. Like I say, this is a very good van. It's nice down both sides. It's just been machine polished and ceramic coated by our in-house detailer, which is great. Mechanically, like I say, we've just been right through it. Wheels were recently, as I say, refurbished. Look really good, balanced and four-wheel aligned at the same time, so that's great. We've got 50mm H&R load rated springs, so it's lowered to 50mm by H&R. Roof rails, tinted rear glass, and twin sliders, as I say. So moving on to the interior, it's a 6-seat vehicle. It's a combi, so we've got 3 in the back and 3 in the front. As you can see there, Highline spec manual, 2 litre 140, so really reliable. We've got an aftermarket Pioneer stereo with satellite navigation. We've got air conditioning, all the switch gears really nice down there, as you can see. No reason to fault it there. Nice in the footwells, not bad at all. Driver's seat, pretty good. Passenger seat, much the same. Nicely trimmed, really good trim in a T5, I think, lovely. We've got remote control lighting in the rear, which I will move into in a second. Looks like we've got connectivity in the glove box for the stereo. Manual gearbox, 6-speed, great, wonderfully economical these. Leather steering wheel, which looks like it has been retrimmed at some time, but it's not bad at all. Cruise control, air conditioning, which is ice cold, as it's just been checked and regassed by our guys at the garage, along with the service that they've recently done. We've got electric windows, got heated mirrors and central locking. Moving into the rear, We've got the split fold combi seats, isofix to the rear. We've just brand newly carpeted this throughout, so insulated, lined, sound deadening, all fitted and installed. 4 remote control spotlights to the rear, carpeted all the way through, all down the metalwork, completely covered, all through the tailgate, over the arches. Really, really nice. Brand new carpet, smells lovely in here, really nice. Tailgate van, combi. Slight markings to the rear of the seat, but it's not bad at all. Nothing you couldn't improve on if you really wanted to. This has got the makings of a really, really nice one. It's solid, drives superbly well, and it's had all the maintenance done at the right time, which is great peace of mind. If you asked me to set off to the south of France in this today, I wouldn't hesitate. So there you go. We've got twin sliders, which is pretty rare. Tailgate, as I say, all carpeted at the back. Really, really nice. Great place to start. 20-inch wheels. All HPI clear. Lots of receipts with it. Rare T5 in black. This is going live on our website today. 19,995 with no VAT. Great value for money. Ready to go. If you'd like to come and have a look, we'd be glad to show you around. We have indoor showrooms in North Manchester, near Rochdale, and it'd be great to have you visit. Thanks for watching.